Gold and silver are once again in the spotlight as investors weigh global uncertainty against industrial demand. Prices of gold surged to nearly $5,550 per ounce in late January 2026, marking a more than 250% rise over the past year. Much of this strength comes from central banks, which are now absorbing 25 to 30% of global production annually as part of their diversification away from the dollar. But the average man is hoping to cash in too.
I can convert into a jewellery if I want, and I can even have it. So it's an investment and also sign of luxury if I want to use it.
It's more like my family. My family's been investing for a few years now, and I kind of want to start investing now that I'm old enough. And yeah, because I've seen the value gone up recently, and it's fluctuating. But I know that in the future it will go up and increase in price, which I'll get a profit out of.
With geopolitical tension simmering and monetary policy in flux, analysts say gold is consolidating after its record highs, but the bias remains upward.
Gold will be around for a long time. It is a safe haven asset, and its little cousin, silver, again likewise. If there was a major supply jolt in gold, then we would expect both gold and silver to sustain at the current levels. But we are not aware of any major supply issues.
After one of its steepest crashes since the 1980s, silver is trading near $36 per ounce globally. Margin hikes and profit-taking triggered a sell-off, leaving silver volatile and under pressure. Yet the medium-term outlook isn't all bleak. Silver's industrial role in electronics, solar panels, and electric vehicles means demand could rebound as manufacturing and clean energy growth accelerate.
After the drop, I feel like this is the best time to buy off everyone. People keep dipping. I believe we should buy more.
Gold looks onward and upward, supported by safe haven flows and central bank buying. Silver remains downward in the short term, but could turn upward if industrial demand kicks back in. In 2026, precious metals are set to remain a barometer opportunity. The Economic Brief, DD India.
Well, Dr. Amit Kapoor continues to be with us. Dr. Kapoor, you know, young investors are thinking long-term about gold investment. Does this metal's value ever fall?
Well, I think if you really look at the last 50 years, the metal prices have not fallen. They've always consolidated. The only thing that has happened is the rate of growth that we have seen. So I think when you're talking about youngsters and investing, and if they have the staying power for the next 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years, it is effectively going to be a very, very positive asset to invest in. If you really look at the price of gold, it has effectively increased about 20 to 25 times in the last 25 years. So there is a huge thing that happens, or shift that happens on that. As an investment, great strategy, but if you're really looking at speculating, not the right time. But yes, as you said in the program, there's an important factor that there is a lot of speculation that has happened on gold and silver right now, but over a longer period of time, I really don't think that these prices are going to crash down or something. There would be some level of semblance of reality coming in, but it will be around the kind of price points that we are talking about.
And how long will central banks continue to buy gold?
Oh, I think there is this very important factor that we are really talking about, this whole crisis, the trade crisis that we are really looking at, and the currency is becoming very volatile. It makes a lot of sense for central banks across the world to actually consolidate their assets and keep on buying it, because gold becomes a very important asset to really, take care of currency shocks, etc. So that is going to continue to happen. I think once the trade scenarios and the global headwinds really stop, that is when things will start slowing down in terms of investments in gold. But right now, it remains a very, very strategic asset. And it will continue to happen. If you've really looked at the world in the last 50, 70 years, gold has always been the most important asset for governments to really look at.
We'll leave it there. Thank you very much, Dr. Amit Kapoor, a senior economist, expert on competitiveness. Thank you for joining us and helping us understand this.